In this episode, we are going to talk about presentation. So we'll see how Maria is going to be able to present herself to someone else. You ready for this?
Probably.
Probably. So we will start with the basic stuff. We're going to say, my name is. So, o meu nome é.
O meu nome é.
Okay, so now do the same with your name in the end.
O meu nome é Maria.
O meu nome é, okay, in your case Maria, but o meu nome é Dulcídio. Okay, this is the most common when you meet someone, or you can also say chamo-me, which means, if we translate this, it means I am cold. So try that one.
Chamo-me Maria.
Chamo-me Dulcídio. Okay? And when you're presenting yourself, or you're making your own presentation, you can also use to say something more about you. So you can say, o meu nome é Dulcídio e gosto de. So,
Meaning?
and I like. So you are showing yourself and you're telling people, my name is, and I like to do whatever, something. So try to do the same and say, o meu nome é, and your name, e gosto de, and whatever. Try to fill up the spaces.
O meu nome é Maria e eu gosto de música.
Ok. O meu nome é Dulcídio e eu gosto de jogar.
What does it mean?
It means that my name is Dulcídio and I like to play games, for example. Also, when someone makes their own presentation, it would be nice if you say, what, in the end? Muito
And
prazer.
you. Ah,
Muito prazer. Someone presents himself like, oh, my name is Dulcídio and I like to say, okay, it's a pleasure to meet you, Dulcídio. So we usually say, muito prazer, to show that idea. So it's a small introduction, but it's something that can allow you to just say, o meu nome é Maria, o meu nome é Dulcídio, my name is, or chamo-me, I am cold, and present yourself. And now for the people that are starting their journey into Portuguese, it would be important to also know that they can also say, o meu nome é, and their name, e eu não falo português. So they can do, o meu nome é Dulcídio e não falo português. And I don't speak Portuguese. So you can make your own introduction and also tell that you don't speak Portuguese, but at least you can have the first step made in Portuguese towards someone else. So, can you make your presentation now?
o meu nome é Maria e eu não falo português.
Okay, very well. Yes. And that's it for the introduction, how you can introduce yourself.
Yes, I want to say something.
Well, what?
Chopping from the perspective of a newcomer. Not that new anymore, but well. That you often say, I am Maria, I am Dulcídio.
Yeah, we can do the same. We can say, eu sou, sou Dulcídio, I am. But if you are like this, chamo-me, or o meu nome é, it is a more formal way to present.
Yeah.
So you can just go for so.
Yeah, which is more popular among friends or family, no?
Yeah, the same way when you are
The same like in English, I
Yeah.
am Maria.
Yes.
Like, I usually don't say my name is Maria, because it sounds like, formal, very formal, yes.
Yeah, and for example, you also say esta é, so this is, if you are showing who is this person you are. I say, o meu nome é Dulcídio, esta é Maria, so if I'm showing that you are Maria, I'm Dulcídio and you are Maria. Yeah, so that's also not as formal as the first part, but it is also quite used. So that's how we make our presentation in Portuguese. So practice and join us on the next episode.